One of the coolest new updates to iOS 12 is the Measuring app. It's an app that allows you to measure objects and surfaces in real life using augmented reality, which is huge right now. This is automatically added onto your phone when you upgrade to iOS 12. So we're going to go ahead and click into the app. We'll have to move our phone around so that it can adjust to the environment. And we'll measure. So I'll measure my bookshelf from the top of the shelf to the bottom. You can see that my bookshelf here is 6 feet tall. You can take a photo to save this for later, or you can keep adding extra dots. You can see that it's already adjusting to the environment and seeing square footage that I can add. I don't see this becoming the future of carpentry anytime soon, but it's pretty nifty for around the house and if you can't find a tape measure.